To emphasize a subject by applying an outline effect around a person or object in an image in Canva Image Editor is simple. First of all, you will need a transparent image. If you have not one yet, you can quickly remove background using Canva, if you have subscribed. If not, do it using online background remover tools, any can do. See the description box below for the list of tools. Now select the image and Edit option appears in the menu above. Scroll the sidebar and look for Effects section, then you will Shadow Effect. Click on it, and it will open with options to choose. For now we will need Outline, so select it. Scroll down, and you will have the outline size to set and the color of the outline.